Hi everyone, and welcome back to Toy Crushed. Today we're going to open the Scooby-Doo Mystery Solving Crew. Let's get started. The Scooby-Doo Mystery Solving Crew comes with all the main characters from Scooby-Doo. It contains Velma, Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, Fred, and Daphne. Let's go ahead and open it. So here are each of our characters. So I'm going to go ahead and get out Velma. So there's Velma. Scooby-Doo. Shaggy. Fred, and Daphne. So here are all our characters. There's Daphne, Velma, Scooby-Doo, Fred, and Shaggy. All of these characters are completely posable. You can move them around to get in different positions, and even their knee joints bend, so that you can set them up and play with them anytime. And so now the crew is ready to go on a mystery solving adventure and finding all of the criminals that cause all the problems in their town. Hope you enjoy this Scooby-Doo unboxing adventure. So thanks for joining us at Toy Crush today. If you like this video, go ahead and click on the subscribe button to see more videos like it. And go ahead and like the video as well. We're always unboxing new toys each day, and we would love to have you join us. Thanks for watching.